So you're going to have a worksheet that looks like this. Okay. And what you're going to do is we are going to fill out these tally marks. Okay. So I am going to pull the different colors for you, and you are going to mark them based off of what color I pull from the bag. So the probability unit is what is the probability of me pulling a specific color out of this bag. So before you start, go ahead and just look through the different colors. So we have red, yellow, blue, green, brown, and orange. Circle which one you believe is going to get pulled most often. Okay, so just go ahead and circle it in Cami, and then we'll get started. So here's your worksheet. I have the M&Ms. I'm going to open them up, and we're going to go through this together. So I'm just going to randomly pick one. It is orange. So then on your paper, and I'm going to put that one back in the bag. On your paper, you're going to find where orange is, and you're going to make a tally mark. Okay, and we're going to do that, and we need to do that 30 times. So you're going to have a total of 30 different tally marks up here. So let's go again. Orange again. I think that was 30. I'm going to pull a couple extras just in case I didn't. Okay, so what you want to do, you should have different tally marks, and this is going to be off. I'm just creating a few random tally marks. Okay, so your paper should look something like this with all these different tally marks here. Again, this isn't accurate. Go ahead and count all the tally marks. There should be 30 of them. Like I said, I thought I might have miscounted, so please just make sure you count and have 30 of them. Okay. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to add them up. So reds right here, if I count up all my tally, it says that I have 5. So in the column next to it, I'm going to write down 5. And I'm going to go through and do that for all of them. So I'd put 2 for yellow, 1 for blue, and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Again, this isn't accurate. This isn't what I just pulled. I'm just making a fake set here. As you can see, if I were to add all those up, it wouldn't equal 30. Yours should when you add those all up. Okay, once you have that finished, you're going to flip it over. Well, actually, it will be the second page on the Cami. And this chart right here, we're going to go ahead and fill out this one. So it says the total number of times picked and the number of trials. So the first one is red. And I'm going to look in the front, and it said that I pulled 5 reds. So on the back here, I'm going to write 5 over 30 because I pulled 30 times, right? So that's saying out of the 30 times that I pulled an M&M out of the bag, 5 of those were red. And you're going to go through and you're going to do that for all of them. So all of them should have a denominator of 30. The bottom number should be 30. So looking at the front, I had 2 yellow. So then I would write 2 out of 30. And then 1 out of 30. So you should have something that looks like that with all the fractions. Once you have those fractions, you're going to enter them into the calculator. So what you're going to do, I'm going to use this calculator. Google would work just fine. So the way you're going to do this is with your fraction. So my first fraction that I had, if I look at my paper, sorry, I'm trying to do this in the camera, is 5 over 30. So in my calculator, I'm going to type 5 divided by 3 0. So that's my fraction. I'm going to hit equals. And then whatever that equals, I'm going to multiply that by 100. And then hit equals again. Notice that I get this long decimal, 16.6666. Okay, so let's just round it to 16, or you could say 16.6. So in this last column where it says probability, I'm going to put 16.6%. Okay, I have to figure out those percentages for each one. Okay, again, you type in the fraction into your calculator and multiply it by 100 to get the percent. You'll get the percentages for all of them. Okay, once you have that finished, now we're moving on to our next thing, the next probability chart. For this one, we are going to, so we did our experiment, and for now, we're going to do the theoretical probability, which means, okay, how many do I actually have in here that are blue? How many do I actually have in here that are red? So we're going to dump them out, and I'm going to, sorry, my camera skills aren't that great. I'm going to dump them out, and I want you to go ahead and count how many M&Ms we have. Did you get that number? If you didn't, rewind and pause it to count. You want to put that total right up here. So I know that this is wrong, but I'm going to say that there's 10. Again, you're doing the work. I'm just making up numbers. So 10, that's the total number that I counted. Next thing we're going to do is we need to sort out these M&Ms based on their color. So I'm going to go ahead and sort real quick, and then I will let you look at what I have. Okay, and again, I'm going to ask that if you need to, you can pause it. Whoops. Don't know if I did that correctly. Hold on. There we go. Let me go ahead and show you what we have. Okay, so real quick, this is brown, this is blue, green, yellow, red, and orange. Okay. We are going to copy down how many we have of each. So, for example, if you look back at how many I had, maybe I had 2 red M&Ms. And then go back and count how many yellow I had, how many blue, green, brown, and so forth. And you're going to put that in this column right here. Okay. Then, next thing, if you notice, it says we're going to put the number of M&Ms, so that's this column right here. We'll put that over the total number of M&Ms that we counted. So I said that there was 10 there. There's more than 10 there. But you're going to write 2 over, and I said there's 10 total, which is not true. Once I have that, then I'm going to figure out the percentage again, or the probability. So I'll have to put that into the calculator. I'm going to put in 2 divided by 10, and then I'm going to multiply that by 100, and I get 20. So that's 20%. That's what's going in this column right there. Please email me if you have any questions, and then turn this into Google Classroom. Have a great day.